everybody, today we are going to see how to use count function in Excel. There are various types of count function. Let us see in this video how to use it effectively. The functions are count, county, countblank, countif, countifs. Now let us see the functions. Count function. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts number within the list of arguments. The syntax for this is count value 1, value 2 and so on. The next function is count blank function. The count blank function, one of the statistical functions to count the number of empty cells in a range of cells. The syntax for it is count blank, value 1, value 2 and so on. Count A function. The count A function counts the number of cells that are not empty in a range. The syntax for count A function is count A, value 1, value 2 and so on. This is a very useful function. The next function is Countif function. It is one of the statistical functions to count the number of cells that meet a criterion. The syntax is equal to Countif. Where do you want to look? Comma, what do you want to look for? The next important function is Countifs. The Countifs function applies criteria to cells across multiple ranges and counts the number of times all criteria are met. The syntax is Countifs, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2 and so on. Let us see how to use count function in Excel. Now I am going to count the number of numerical cells that are available in this 21 cells. For that we can use the formula equal to count, open braces, you select the range. I have selected the entire range and close the bracket, press enter. So you can see it has given the count as 3, that is 1, 2 and 3. This gives you the numerical count. The formula for numerical count is equal to count of the range. Now we can count the blank cells that are available in this. For that you use equal to count blank, open braces, and once again you select the entire range and close the braces. You can see there are 4 blank spaces in this cell. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 blank spaces. So count blank is used to count the number of blank cells. Now you have count A. Count A is to count the non-blank cells. So the formula is equal to count A, open braces, select the cells and close the braces, enter. Now you can see it is showing 17 non-blank cells. Out of this 21 you have 4 blank cells and you have 17 non-blank cells. So this is non-blank cell. So you can see here the formula is equal to count A, the range. Countif. Countif is based on some criteria. If the criteria is okay, it will count and it will send the result. Now we can use countif equal to count if, open braces, I am selecting the entire 21 cells. I am giving a criteria, whichever cell is having TO, that count it should be returning equal to. Now you can see it has returned 2. Now these are the 2 cells, 1 and 2. TO is there in these 2 cells, TO, TO. based on a specific criteria, the number will be written, the criteria. The next one is count if s equal to count if s, open the braces, select the criteria range, and you can give the particular criteria. For this I am typing Educrawl. So if there is the word Educrawl, it will return the detail. So you can see it has written 2. Countifs, the range is this one, comma Educrawl. There are 2 Educrawl in this range. So it has written 2. So a specific criteria it will be returning. Let us see here. I have a table. I hope this table is visible. I have the sales detail of 4 people. January month, February month and March. So these are the salesperson KTS, Pasupati, Gomadi and Raj. Now we want to calculate the sales of these people. For that you can click here equal to count if yes, open braces, you select the details, that is yes, no, no for the 3 months, comma, if they have exceeded the sales quota, it will be yes. So the particular sales quota whatever given to them, whether they have exceeded. So here KTS has done January sales and he has exceeded that. So that detail gives you yes, no, no. Now you press enter, you can see KTS has exceeded in 1 month in the sales quota. What about Pasupati, Gomadi and Raj? Just click and drag whether they have exceeded, you can note. Pasupati has exceeded the sales quota twice, you can see here, January as well as February. Gomadi has exceeded the sales quota thrice, that is why it is showing 3. Raj has exceeded twice, he has exceeded in February as well as March. Now let us see how many people have exceeded the sales quota. How many have exceeded the sales quota in a specific month? Okay, for that you can use equal to count if s, open braces, you can give comma equal to yes, close the braces. This is for January sales, and so select the next one, comma double quotes yes, comma the 3rd month you select, comma within double quotes you click yes, close the braces and press enter. So only Gomadi has exceeded in all the 3 months. So like this you can have a criteria. Only one person has exceeded the 3 months sales. If you want to reduce 1 month, you can delete this and you can check how many are there. So I have deleted this and I am pressing enter. 2 people have exceeded in the month of January as well as February. You can see Pasupati as well as Gomadi has exceeded the sales. Like this you can do multiple analysis using count. Thank you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.